guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to have you guys once again on this channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. You're welcome. Today I'll be sharing tips on how I edit using my mobile phone and also how I upload content here on YouTube. I know that as a beginner it can be really stressful to find your way around apps that you can easily use to upload your content. So I'll be showing you the apps that you can use to upload your content, how I edit using my mobile phone, and also how I upload here on YouTube. By now you must have made up your mind and you must have concluded that you want to be a content creator. So having ideas on the kind of videos that you need to upload consistently on YouTube matters a lot. So make sure that you have ideas, you have a niche on what and what to create. So carve a niche for yourself. If you want to post comedy videos, that's what you want to do. If you want to post any form of entertainment videos, that's what you want to do. So carve a niche for yourself. That's the number one thing. You want to have it at the back of your mind that you need to create contents, videos that can attract the minds of your consumers, that's the viewers. So at this point, I believe that you already have it at the back of your mind that you want to be a content creator. Not just a content creator, but a consistent content creator. So creating content is one thing, and being a YouTuber or a social media analyst or a content creator is another thing. Now the next thing is you need to have a good mobile phone. So I make use of these two phones, an Android, which is an Oppo A93 phone, and the second one is an iPhone, and it's an XS Max. So I usually use the iPhone to record and all of that because it takes just one SIM, but for my Oppo I can put in about 2 SIMs and I'm good to go. So I usually use my Oppo to edit my videos, and sometimes I use my iPhone as well. If it's a beauty video, like a makeup video, a makeup tutorial, I use my iPhone to upload. But then if it's like every other edit, like a vlog, I use my Oppo. But you can use your iPhone for the both, and you can use this as well. And then another reason why I am making use of an Android phone is because the battery capacity of an iPhone is not as strong as an Android phone. So most iPhone users, you discover that they usually have a backup phone. So that's another reason why I have this. It's just like a backup system for me, a support system for me, because I can't make use of my iPhone alone. The two most important apps that I use for editing my videos are InShot and CapCut. So I use CapCut anytime that I want to edit my makeup videos and all of that. If I want to smoothen it a little bit, and then if I want to edit a regular video, like just a normal video to cut and join here and there, I make use of InShot. But most of the times I make use of InShot. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how I do this. So this is my InShot right here. I'm going to tap on it, and then if it's a video, I'll go click on video and then tap on new. Let's say I want to edit this particular video right here. Then I'll go to a video that is on landscape. What I mean by landscape is this particular shape, the way it is like this. It's actually flat this way. You know, you can place your phone like this and edit, and not this way. So we have horizontal and vertical. So this is it. I'm going to tap on that mark there. So we have canvas. You can change it into any form that you want, YouTube worthy, TikTok worthy, whatever you want. So you can go on music and then tap on music. Then you can go click on any of this music that you see right here. But most times it is important, it is necessary to make use of YouTube music. You can go and make use of one of your favorite celebrities' music, and YouTube will just bring down your video. So make sure that you make use of, let's say, your own audio that you have created or YouTube's audio. So I'm going to click on this clean break. I make use of this a lot, and then just add it to my music, and that's it. And then under effects, you can see a lot of amazing effects right here. Click on any of these, like the bell, and you see lots of amazing effects here. So you can make use of any of these, just in case you want to create sounds, you want to play around with your sounds. And then we know what sticker means. You can make use of any of these stickers. This particular app is really nice. It's amazing. Without paying a dime, you can make use of a lot of their beautiful features. So right now I'll click on text and you can type anything. Let me type my name, Lizzie's Touch. I'll just type this, then reduce it a little bit, place it here. This is what I usually do. Then you can drag it all the way to the end of your video. So that's how text works. So I'm going to filter right now. I usually don't make use of their filters, but we have lots of amazing filters right here. I really usually do not make use of their filters because it doesn't fit into what I usually want to do with my videos. So right now I'm going to click on Pip, just in case you want to add like an extra video to your video, something like this. Just click on it. Maybe you want to create a before and after effect, so I'm going to take that off right now. And then again we have pre-cut, just in case you want to cut your video, you want to make it a little bit smaller, or you want to increase the size. We have pre-cut. You can trim it, you can cut it like this, and then you can split it, whatever you want to do. And then right now we have split. We already spoke about split. I have split, just in case I make a mistake, I can click on this arrow right here and it takes me back to what I was doing initially. So we have split, just in case you want to split your video and then delete this particular one right here, you can then just take it off. So that's the function of split and delete. It works perfectly. This app is really amazing, and their ads are not too much. So I'll go on background. I really don't make use of background a lot. I'll go on background. You can click any of the backgrounds you want, just in case you want to customize your background. Possibly write your name under. You've already customized it right there. So that's that. So I'll click on speed. If you want to speed up your video or you want to reduce it, you want to speed it up or you want to reduce it, this is how it works. If you want it faster, if you want it slower, this is how it works. So I'm just going to take that back. So just in case you want to add motion effects to your videos, so you can click on any of these beautiful effects that you can see right here. So I'm just going to click on back because I don't want any of that. If you want to crop your video into a particular size, that's that. And then we have capacity. If you want to reduce the brightness of your video, you can do any of this, but I don't really make use of any of this as such. Then I'm quickly going to go over to volume. Just in case you are creating a vlog, you want to increase the sound of your voice, you can take it from 100. It's usually on 100. Take it from 100 to 200. Or in case you want to increase the sound of your music, go here, click on music, and then go to volume and increase it. And then you can split your music as well, and also delete your music as well. I believe that when you start making use of this app, you understand what I am talking about. So I'll click on replace. If you want to replace the clip that you have right there with another one, let's say this one, you can see that the previous one is gone already. Then you can just click on replace and that's it. But I'm going to go back because I don't want that right now. And then we have duplicate. Just in case you want to duplicate your video, you want to make it like come in twice, then you can click on duplicate, as simple as that. But I'm going to take that off because for the purpose of this video, I am not going to make use of that. I'll click on reverse, just in case you want your video to start playing from the end to the beginning. Sometimes you see some makeup videos, some makeup tutorials where somebody will apply makeup and then the video starts playing from the end to the beginning where the whole face has not been made. Yes, that's how you do it. You just click on reverse and it's done. But I'm not going to wait for that because I don't usually make use of this particular feature, so I'm going to cancel it. Right now we have rotate, so you can switch this into any position that you deem fit. But this is how I'm going to leave it for now. So we have flip. You can flip it to the left, you can flip it to the right, whatever works for you. We have freeze, which is the last feature. So if there's a particular position that you love in a video, you can then just tap on it. Let's say this place where she's not smiling, tap on it and click on freeze, and we have only that. We're just going to have only that, just like cutting a particular picture out of a video. So that's how that works. So we are done with all the features. When we have keyframe, this plus sign right here, I'm going to click on it again and then come towards the middle right here and zoom this video. So you are going to see how this keyframe works. If you want to have like motion effects, just within seconds or within minutes, this particular effect works perfectly. That particular feature works perfectly. So that's how that is done. But for the purpose of this video, I am going to, because it's a YouTube content that we're creating right now, I'm going to move over to Canvas, and I'm going to click on, you see this sign right here is for YouTube, so I'll click on YouTube so that it covers the whole screen. And then right now I'm going to cut this video, cut some parts of it out so that it will be really easy for me to save this video as quick as possible. So once I'm done editing my video, I am going to save this whole project. So my resolution usually is 1080 pixel by 30. You can see it right here. I am going to save the video. Some ads are already running, but it doesn't take too much time. So I'm going to click on exit and our video is saved. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how to upload this video, this content that I have created on YouTube. So right now we have our video. I'm going to click on YouTube. I'll just open it, and then I'm going to go click on this plus sign right here. You can see create a short, upload a video. So right now I'm going to click on upload a video. So you can see that we have our video right here at 16 seconds. I reduced it because I wanted it to save as quick as possible. So we have our video right here. So I'm going to click on next. So I'm not going to upload this video to the public because this is just a tutorial. So I'm going to click on visibility and then go click on private, and then you can add whatever description you want to add. You can just say this is a makeup video, this is a skit. I hope you guys like it. I hope to see you all in my next video. Whatever you want to type right there, just type it down and you're good. So you can go click on location if you want people to know where you stay. Click on it and write your location right there and you're good. Then add to playlist, create your own playlist. So you can create your own playlist just in case you want new viewers to see the folders where they can easily get new contents and how your folders are being arranged. And so you see that I have a makeup tutorial, Gele videos, Gele's headgear, vlog, and all sorts of tutorials right here. So then click on allow comments, hold, potential inappropriate comments here and there. It's all left to you. So once that is done, I am going to click on next. So it's important that you click on this one. If it's not made for kids, click on it and upload your video. So once that is done, you'll see that your video has already been uploaded and the views will start counting, but mine is on private right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and also comment on my videos. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. If there's any particular tutorial you want me to show you guys, please don't forget to comment in the comment section. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.